year on July 26, India celebrates Kargil War Divas to commemorate its victory over Pakistan in the 1999 Kargil War. This conflict, which lasted 60 days, ended on July 26, 1999, with the Indian Army reclaiming terrorists infiltrated by Pakistani forces in the Kargil district of Ladakh. Pakistani soldiers had seized high hills and strategic bases, prompting the Indian Army to launch Operation Vijay. Indian soldiers undertook arduous climbs at night to avoid detection, displaying remarkable bravery and resilience. After 2 months of intense fighting, the Indian Army expelled the intruders from Kargil. The war resulted in the martyrdom of 527 Indian soldiers, while Pakistan suffered around 3,000 casualties. Although they claim only 357 soldiers died. Kargil Vijay Divas is a tribute to the extraordinary courage and sacrifice of the Indian soldiers who fought to protect their nation. On July 26, 2009, coinciding with the anniversary of Vijay Divas, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh launched the Indian Navy's nuclear submarine INS Arihant. This milestone marked the introduction of India's first indigenous nuclear-powered ballistic missile-capable submarine. The name Arihant means to destroy the enemy. The construction of INS Arihant began in the 1970s and was completed at the Shipbuilding Center in Visakhapatnam at the cost of $2.9 billion. With its launch, India became the 6th country in the world to possess an indigenous nuclear submarine, showcasing a significant advancement in the nation's naval capabilities. Satyanarayan Sinha, a prominent Indian National Congress politician, passed away on July 26, 1983. Born on July 9, 1900 in Shambhupatti, Darbhanga district of Bihar, Sinha began his education in Muzaffarpur and later earned an LLB from Patna University. An agriculturist and landowner by profession, he became a respected public figure. Sinha was a member of the Constituent Assembly and held several key ministerial positions. He served as Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Communication from 1964 to 1967 and as a Minister of Health, Family Planning and Urban Development from 1967 to 1971. In 1971, he was appointed Governor of Madhya Pradesh, a role he fulfilled until 1977. His contribution to Indian politics and governance are remembered with great respect. On July 26, 1945, Winston Churchill, despite his peak popularity and successful leadership during World War II, lost the British general election. This surprising defeat saw Churchill's Conservative Party win only 197 seats, while the Labour Party secured a commanding majority with 393 seats, making Clement Attlee the new Prime Minister. Churchill, who had rejuvenated Britain's morale during the war after becoming Prime Minister in 1940, took many crucial decisions during the nation's weakest moments. However, his loss in the 1945 election shocked the world. Churchill gracefully accepted his defeat and promptly resigned from his position.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
The Cuban Revolution began on July 26, 1953, when Fidel Castro and his comrades attacked a military barracks in Santiago de Cuba. Though this initial attack failed and led to their arrest, it marked the first significant step in the rebellion against the Batista government. Led by Fidel Castro, Raul Castro, Che Guevara, and others, the Cuban Revolution aimed to overthrow the dictatorial regime of Fulgencio Batista and establish a socialist government. The revolution was fueled by widespread inequality, corruption, and political repression in Cuba. The struggle continued for years, culminating on January 1, 1959, when Castro and his revolutionaries seized Havana, forcing Batista to flee the country. This victory ended Batista's dictatorship and brought the revolutionaries to power, transforming Cuba's political landscape. On July 26, 1956, Egyptian President Gamal Abdel Nasser announced the nationalization of the Suez Canal Company, a British-French venture operating the canal since its construction in 1869. In a historic speech in Alexandria, Nasser declared that Egypt would take control of the canal, promising full compensation to the company's stakeholders and ensuring free passage for ships of all nations. This bold move surprised British and French stakeholders, triggering the Suez Crisis and international conflict in the Middle East. Nasser's nationalization of the Suez Canal marked a significant turning point, challenging colonial interest and asserting Egypt's sovereignty over a crucial maritime route. On July 26, 1908, the Federal Bureau of Investigation was established as an agency of United States Department of Justice. Initially known as the Bureau of Investigation, its early duties focused on investigating interstate crimes, bank robberies, and corruption. Renamed the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI has evolved into a critical national security and intelligence organization with the authority to investigate over 200 categories of federal crimes. The FBI plays a key role in combating terrorism, cybercrime, corruption, organized crime, and other significant national security threats. With advanced technological and investigative resources, the FBI collaborates closely with both national and international agencies to protect the United States from the diverse security challenges.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.